Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Chicken Gun 4. 1. 0 is updated and that you have one open skin slot. This avoids wasted inventory juggling. Next, make sure you have at least 500 credits because the Panda skin route may require an in-game purchase or trade fee. Once done, enable the developer console and bind a key for rapid console access since you will toggle settings mid-process. These steps prime your environment so the actionable sequence can run smoothly without interruption. Now you move into the complex execution. Open the console and enter the specific Panda unlock sequence provided by the game. This is where timing matters because server compatibility can block attempts. Once the command registers, join a low-latency server. Keep ping under 80 ms to prevent sync errors that drop the skin. Then execute the spawn command and immediately use the in-game save to inventory option. This writes the asset to your account. Make sure each step confirms visually before progressing to avoid. Finish by verifying the Panda skin in your loadout and equipping it, then perform a full logout save cycle so the server records the change permanently. If the skin does not appear, clear your game cache and retry the spawn on a different server instance. Often desync or authority conflicts are the culprit. If problems persist, collect console logs and timestamps, then contact support with server ID. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most cases where the skin fails to stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.